Hello folks, my quick swap nozzle somehow broke in the heatsink recently. I had to replace the heatsink, and figured might as well make a video along the way. Hopefully this will help some of you. Start by removing the tool head cover. Detach the fan connector. It is glued to the circuit board. Make sure you remove the glue first. Remove the hot end sock. Use a hex wrench to remove the nozzle. As you can see, the nozzle somehow broke in the heatsink. This step is optional. Remove the heating element. The screws are actually slightly short. I replaced them with M2 by 12 screws. Disconnect and remove the heating element. Release 3 screws holding the circuit board. Disconnect the extruder and circuit board connectors. Once again, make sure you remove the glue first. Remove the heatsink. It seems that the thermal paste has hardened and fused the nozzle to the heatsink. Pliers and hammer didn't work. The only way is to replace it entirely. But thankfully, it's not that expensive. While waiting for the replacement to arrive, I thought it is a good time to try a magnetic hot end cover since it is already disassembled. Some assembly is required, starting with removing the blower fan from the original cover. Then, transfer it to the magnetic cover. Add 8 M6 by 3 magnets to the cover. With that, the cover is ready for installation. Attach the rear frame to the tool head. Then, simply snap the magnetic cover on. All that's left now is to wait for the heatsink replacement.
A few days later.
Now to reverse all the steps and reassemble the tool head. Attach the heating element to the heatsink. Attach the nozzle and sock to the hot end. Attach the hot end to the tool head. Reattach all the connectors to the circuit board. Secure the circuit board to the tool head. Lastly, attach the blower fan and magnetic cover. With that, the hot end is fixed and tool head upgraded. Please give a like if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Uncle Geek, signing off.